Hi, I'm Matt from Signaworks. Today we're here to talk about the TL8 and TL12 series traffic lights. You can find out more about these products, as well as our audible and visual signal products and andon solutions at Signaworks.com. The TL8 and the TL12 units are our 8 and 12-inch traffic light series. They're available with 2 light sections, which by default would be red-green, and in a 3 light section version, which is red, amber, green. They're available in a DC version, which is 12 and 24 VDC, and in an AC version, which is 90 to 265 VAC. The units come with the eyebrows as shown here. The eyebrows are removable. The eyebrows are also able to be oriented for horizontal operation as shown here, or they can be turned and affixed in this way for horizontal applications. The lights both come with 2 of these brackets. The brackets are able to affix to the knuckles, which are on the base of the light. The knuckles can be turned for mounting in orientation, and the brackets can be used for pole mounting or any vertical surface mounting. This is the 12-inch version. 12-inch light sections with the 2 light, and this is the 8-inch version in the 3 light. And this unit I have wired up for demonstration. So there's the red, there's the amber, and there's the green. These are great lights which could be used in a factory or industrial application where you might need a large indicator or where you might need to manage traffic flow. With questions about this product, please call us or visit our website. Thank you.